Hi everybody, Bill Hanvey, President and CEO of the Auto Care Association. You've been hearing a lot lately about right to repair. Between the NHTSA letter and the ASA Memorandum of Understanding, both of which were designed to create confusion within our marketplace. The automakers are pulling out all the stops because they know that we are now gaining significant momentum. Currently, we have 36 sponsors of the Repair Act in Washington for our federal legislation. The Auto Care Board recently met with more than 12 congressional representatives, and we're very hopeful that as a result of these actions that we're going to be granted a public hearing through the Energy and Commerce Committee. But the reason that I'm speaking with you today is that I have to ask you for your support. As I mentioned earlier, we have a tremendous amount of momentum going on Capitol Hill, and we need to get the ball over the goal line. That's why I am personally asking you to support our industry and your association by attending our legislative summit this coming September 21st here in Washington, D.C. We need to show our elected officials and the automakers that our industry is engaged in its own future. We promise you a day that you will never forget by participating in the American process, by telling legislators that they need to support right to repair. We hold your hand every step of the way. We set up the meetings, we tell you where to go, we give you talking points. And when you leave Washington, I guarantee you that you will feel fulfilled as a member of the industry and as an American citizen. Please, please, please register today at autocare.org/leadership days. I'll see you there. Please sign up. This is our chance to get it done. I'll see you there, and thanks again for all your support.